Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Limcee vitamin C tablets. These chewable tablets are a simple way to boost your vitamin C intake. To use them, simply chew one tablet thoroughly before swallowing. Always check the packaging for specific instructions regarding your particular product. It's generally recommended to take them with or after a meal for best absorption and to avoid any potential stomach upset. For most adults, the typical dosage is one Limcee tablet per day. It's always a good idea to consult with a healthcare professional for personalized advice, especially if you have specific health conditions or are taking other medications. Taking your tablet with or immediately after a meal can help improve absorption and minimize any digestive discomfort, making it a smooth part of your daily routine. Vitamin C, the active ingredient in Limcee tablets, offers numerous health benefits. It's well known for supporting a healthy immune system, helping your body fight off illness. Additionally, it plays a crucial role in collagen formation, which is vital for healthy skin, bones, and connective tissues. To maintain their effectiveness, store your Limcee tablets in a cool, dry place away from direct sunlight. While Limcee tablets are beneficial, it's important not to exceed the recommended daily dose, as excessive vitamin C can sometimes lead to mild side effects. Always keep these tablets safely out of reach of children to prevent accidental ingestion. If you have any underlying health conditions, are pregnant or breastfeeding, or experience any unusual symptoms, please consult your doctor for guidance.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.